What if I told you that a
Stop everything
1971
for just
Eisenhower
10
dollar,
seconds,
a coin
because
that
the
millions
tiny
of
copper
people
coin
spent,
you ignored for
saved, or
decades
found in piggy
could be
banks,
hiding big
could
money.
secretly be worth
And I'm
hundreds,
not talking about a
thousands,
few
or
pounds
even
or novelty
life-changing
value.
money? What if
I'm
that
talking about
quarter-sized heavy
hundreds,
silver dollar in your
thousands,
change jar
and in
wasn't
rare
just a... What if
situations,
I told you that a
life-changing value.
1971
The
Eisenhower
coin
dollar,
is the
a coin that
1971
millions of
British
people
2 new
spent,
pence,
saved,
and it's
or
one of the most
found in piggy
mysterious
banks,
and
could secretly
misunderstood
be worth
coins in
hundreds,
modern UK
thousands,
history.
or even
Most people
life-changing
think
money?
it's just an
What if that
old brown
quarter-sized
coin,
heavy silver dollar in
something
your
that sits
change
in
jar
jars,
wasn't just
old
$1,
wallets,
but
or
perhaps
dusty
$1,
drawers?
000,
But collectors know the
$10,
truth.
000,
This
or
coin
even
was
more?
born during one of the
Yes,
most
we're talking
chaotic
about a
moments
coin that
in
millions
British
thought was
monetary history.
ordinary, but in the right form, it can
1971
be
wasn't just
astonishingly
another
valuable.
year.
Today
It
you're
was
going to
Decimal
learn,
Day.
fire the
Britain
incredible history
completely
of the
abandoned a money
1971
system that
Eisenhower
existed
dollar
for
fire,
over
why some
1,000
versions are
years.
special and mysterious
Pounds,
fire,
shillings,
how mistake
and pence
coins
were
can
wiped out
skyrocket in
overnight.
value fire, how
Machines
to
broke.
identify rare
Banks
varieties
made
yourself,
mistakes.
fire actual
People
auction
panicked.
sales, and record
And the
prices
Royal Mint
fire,
was
why
forced
this
to
coin
produce
still
millions
excites
of
collectors
new
of all
coins at
ages. If
insane
you stay with
speed.
me until the
And
end,
when you
you
rush
may never
anything
look
at
at
that
old
scale,
coin jars the same way
errors
again.
are inevitable.
Let's get into it.
That's
The
when
Eisenhower
hidden
dollar was the
treasure
first
started
large-sized
slipping
dollar
through.
coin produced by
Now
the
here's the
U.S.
first
Mint
shock.
since the peace
A
dollar ended
normal
in
war in
1935.
1971
It was
2p
introduced in
coin is
1971
worth
to
face
honor
value,
Dwight D.
but in
Eisenhower,
uncirculated
the
condition,
34th President of the
graded
United
by
States
NGC
and
or
World War II
PCGS.
general. In the
Some
late
examples have
1960s,
sold for
the
a
U.S.
pound
Mint was looking for a
120 pound
successor to the
350.
unpopular dollar
Same
coins.
coin,
The
same
Susan B.
year,
Anthony
different
dollar,
condition.
introduced in
Suddenly,
1979,
big
had not
money.
yet existed at
Now
this time,
reset your
and larger
attention,
dollar coins were
because
largely
this
absent
next
from
part is where it
circulation.
gets serious.
At the same time,
The
the Apollo moon
1971
landings,
2p is one of the
1969,
largest
and
circulating
military
coins
history made
ever
Eisenhower
issued
a
in the
patriotic
UK.
choice for
It's
a national
heavy,
coin.
thick, and
Designers
almost
decided
comically
to.
oversized.
Heavy checkmark
That
feature
alone
Eisenhower
makes it
on the
special,
obverse heavy
but
checkmark feature
size
the
created a
Apollo
problem.
11 mission
The
insignia
Royal
on
Mint
the reverse,
struggled with
and so the
striking such a
1971
massive coin
Eisenhower dollar
properly,
was born.
and many early
Here's what a
examples
standard
show
1971
weak strikes,
Eisenhower dollar should be.
off-center designs,
Obverse, front Dwight
double
D,
impressions,
Eisenhower reverse,
misaligned
back Apollo
rims,
11 mission
and
insignia,
collectors pay
eagle landing on
huge
the moon,
premiums for these.
composition,
An
clad
off-center
copper nickel outer layers
1971
with a pure
2p
copper
with
core
full
weight,
date, and Queen's Head sold
22.68
for a
grams
pound for
diameter,
80.
38.1
A double-struck
mm
example
edge,
sold
Rita designer,
for over
Frank
pound
Gasparo, and the key
900,
mint marks
and
are
most people
no
would
mint mark.
never even
Philadelphia,
notice these
D,
errors.
Denver, S,
Now
San
here's
Francisco.
where the
These coins were
mystery
produced
deepens.
for
The
circulation,
inscription
collectors,
says new
and
pence
special proof
instead of
sets.
2 pence.
The 1971 Eisenhower
That
dollar is
phrase
special
became
for several
legendary
reasons.
because
The Eisenhower
years
dollar
later,
was the first
a
dollar
mistake
coin of a
version
modern
was
era,
made.
preceding
The
the
famous
Susan B.
1983
Anthony,
new pence,
Sacagawea,
worth
and
up to
presidential
pound
dollars.
100,
The reverse
000.
design celebrated the
But the
Apollo 11 moon
1971
landing,
version
a defining
is the
moment in
original
history,
source
and the
of
coin
that
is the
legend,
only
and
circulating
collectors
U.S.
hunt the
coin to
earliest
depict that
strikes,
event. The
known as first issue
$1,971
coins,
was
which
struck.
show sharper
In
rims,
heavy
deeper
checkmark
lettering,
business
and richer
strike,
copper
regular
tone.
issue for
These
circulation.
early
Heavy
strikes can
checkmark
fetch
proof
pound
strike,
200 to
collector
pound
versions.
600
Heavy
of
checkmark
pristine.
special silver issues.
Now reset again,
1971.
because this one is
S and
shocking.
40%
There
silver.
are
These
1971
variations create
2p
multiple
coins struck
markets and
on
value
wrong metal
tiers.
plan chips.
Because of its size,
Some are
design,
accidentally
and
struck
place in
on.
history, the
1p
Eisenhower
blanks,
dollar has been widely
4 in
collected since the
blanks.
day it was released.
Experimental
And the
bronze
1971
alloys.
issue always
These are
attracts
thinner,
attention.
lighter, or have
Let's break
unusual
down the
color.
real value ranges based on
Sometimes
documented
golden,
pricing trends
sometimes
and
reddish,
auction results.
sometimes
Source,
dull
collector
gray.
price guides and
One
public
off-metal
sales.
example
Most
sold for a
1971
pound
Eisenhower
one,
dollars from
750.
circulation are modestly
Another
valuable.
reportedly sold
Condition typical
privately
value
for
good.
over
G,
pound two,
$1, $2
$500.
fine.
A coin
F,
meant to buy
$2,
nothing,
$3
now worth more than a
extremely
holiday.
fine. XF,
Now here's the
$3,
brutal part.
$5
Most
about
people would spend
uncirculated
it without
AU,
thinking.
$5,
That's how
$8.
hidden treasure
Most circulated coins are
disappears
just
forever.
a few dollars.
Now,
These coins are
let
simply
me
not
teach you
rare,
exactly
but there
how
are
to
layers of
identify
value above
a
this.
valuable
When a coin is
1971
uncirculated,
2p.
showing no wear,
First,
its
check the
value
date.
increases.
Must say
Great typical market
1971.
value MS
There is no
$60
mint mark on UK
$15
coins.
MS $63
So don't look for
$15,
letters, look at the
$35
color.
MS $65
Standard
$40,
is deep copper brown.
$75 MS
If it looks
$66
golden, silver, or
$100,
pale,
$200
that's
plus MS
suspicious.
$67.
Weigh it.
$400,
Normal weight is
$1,200 plus
7.12
in rare
grams.
examples MS
If it's heavier or lighter,
$68
you may have an
For
off-metal
$1,000
strike.
plus in
Check
elite
the rim.
pieces, the higher
It
the
should be
grade,
thick and
the
well-formed.
exponentially higher the
If
value.
the rim is missing,
This is where
split, or
serious money
uneven,
starts.
that's an
Collectors
error.
also highly
Look at
prized
the
proof
Queen's
coins,
portrait.
which were made
Sharp
specifically
for
detail
collector sets.
means
Proof
early
1971
strike. Soft
Eisenhower
detail
Dollar.
means later
Typical
strike.
values.
Now
PF
here's
65,
another reset.
$15.
Proof
$30
coins.
PF 67.
In 1971,
$80. $1
special
50
proof
PF
versions were
68.
made for collector
$300.
sets.
$900
They have
plus
mirror-like
PF 69
surfaces
plus.
and razor-sharp
$1,500 to
Most people
$5,000
broke
plus for the
these
best
sets
cameo
and
or
spent
deep
them.
cameo
A
examples
genuine
provenance. High-grade
1971
proofs can
proof
command
2P in
serious
perfect
premiums.
condition.
Some
Can sell
1971
for a pound,
Eisenhower
$300,
dollars
a
were
pound,
struck in
$800.
40%
If
silver
graded
at San
PF
Francisco,
69
primarily
or
for
PF
collectors.
70.
Silver clad
Prices
proof
climb
1971.
even higher.
S.
Now the
$20 to
most
$60
emotional part of
typical Triple silver
story.
proof
In
1971
2019,
S in
a
top
man
grade.
in England found a bag of
$100.
old coins left by
$600
his
plus
father.
high-grade silver proofs and
Inside
cameo
was a
finishes can
pristine
sell for $500 to
1971 proof
$3,000
2P.
plus.
He
In rare
almost
cases,
donated
these
it.
silver versions are sought
Instead,
after because
sent it for
silver
grading.
content and
It
visual
sold
appeal
£4
further boost
620.
collector interest.
Not
Despite
millions,
being one of the most
but for a
common modern
coin he
U.S.
nearly
dollar
threw
coins,
away.
the
That's big
1971
money.
Eisenhower Dollar
Now
holds
reset
a few
again.
mysteries that
There
keep
are
collectors
also die clash
engaged.
errors,
Some coins are
where the
varieties,
queen's head and the
intentional
feathers
mint
imprint
differences,
faintly
while
onto
others
each
are
other.
true errors,
These
unintentional
ghosts, like
mistakes.
images, look
Knowing
supernatural.
the difference is critical to
Collectors
determining
love them.
value. Unlike the
Values range from
1971
£150
S silver
to
business strikes of later
£600.
years.
And
Only
they're
some collector
incredibly
strikes
hard to
contain
see
40% silver,
unless you know what you're
confusing
looking
novice
for.
collectors who assume
Now here's
all
the
old
psychological
Eisenhowers
twist.
must be silver.
Because
Some
this coin is
1971
common,
coins have subtle
people
die flaws
assume
that
it's
appear to be
worthless.
errors, but are
That's why
actually
it's one of the
varieties
most
caused by
dangerous
worn
coins
or
to
slightly
overlook.
altered dyes.
The real
Natural
hidden
toning
treasure
and rainbow
isn't in
surfaces
rare
can
coins.
dramatically affect
It's in
value,
common coins
sometimes
with
adding
rare
hundreds
mistakes.
or even thousands
And this
of
one
the
is
eye.
full of them.
Appeal is strong.
Now imagine
These factors
this.
ensure the
You check an
1971
old jar
Eisenhower
tonight.
dollar
You
never
find
gets
a
boring.
thick
Now
brown
let's get to the
coin from
exciting part,
1971.
the errors and rarities
You
that
weigh
really
it.
drive price
It's wrong.
spikes. This
You send
error
it for
is one of the
grading,
most collectible
and
types on
suddenly
Eisenhower dollars.
you're holding
Look
a piece
for
of metal worth
heavy checkmark
£1,
doubling on Liberty,
500
heavy checkmark
pound
doubling
two,
on In God We
000,
Trust,
maybe
heavy
more,
checkmark doubling on the
not
date miner
because you were
doubling.
lucky,
$100,
because you paid attention.
$400 strong doubling
That's
in
the
high
real
grade.
lesson. The world is full of
$1,500,
life-changing
$8,
value,
000
hiding in
plus
plain sight.
MS67
And most
plus
people
DDO.
walk past it every day.
$10,000 plus
So
in
here's
rare
your
auctions. The
cliffhanger.
key is sharp,
Right now,
visible doubling,
somewhere
not
in
just
your house or
ghosting
your
or
parents'
machine
house
doubling.
or your
This error happens
grandparents'
when
house,
coins are accidentally
there could
struck
be a
on a blank intended
1971
for another
2P
denomination or
coin
composition.
that's already paid
Example,
for your next
heavy
holiday,
checkmark
your next car,
1971
or
Eisenhower
your
struck
next
on smaller
dream,
coin blank,
but
heavy
you'll never
checkmark
know
Eisenhower struck on
unless you
foreign
check.
planche $10,
So tonight,
000,
don't scroll.
$50,000
Don't sleep.
plus.
Don't assume.
Depending on rarity
Go
and
find
provenance,
your
these
coins.
error coins are true
Because the
mints,
next
mistakes,
piece of
and
big
highly
money
prized.
might already
Coins struck
belong
off
to
the
you.
center can show
And if you
missing
want more
portions of
hidden
the design.
treasure,
5,
more shocking
15%
stories,
off
and
center.
more life-changing
$50,
value,
$15020,
subscribe now. Because a coin you
40% off
ignore
center.
tomorrow
$200,
might be the one you regret forever.
$80050